Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to maintain the hair dummy. Those who are being a hairstylist or who's learning to become a hairstylist, you gotta watch this video because this is the most important practicing part in your life of being a hairstylist. So this is the hair dummy, so you all know, and this maintenance is a little bit easier, but you gotta maintain this because it's costlier, because I got this for 6,000 and I have been maintaining for 2 years, and I'm gonna show you what I do for maintenance. So first I'm gonna dip this in the dummy with the bucket of water. I have a small bucket and I'm using that, and I'm using my shampoo which I use normally. So this is from Biotic, and this is meant for fine and thin hair. I don't think any shampoos does is good. You don't have to maintain a shampoo for a dummy. I use mine, so this itself will do the part. So yeah, I'm just going to do a shampooing thing, and I'm just filming in one hand so you can see that struckings and all. So after shampooing, I just let it as usually just sit for 1 hour or 2, or I even just leave it for a day, so that the water just drips out and come off itself, because it's an artificial hair. And now I'm just going to remove any tangles and frizz with a white tooth comb. So after this, I'm going to use some heat protectant spray, and this is from the Vella one, and I'll be linking every product in the description box below. If you want to know what kind of products I'm using, you can already have it down below. So first I'm going to spray it all over my dummy hairs, and this is really important. And next I'm going for Oasis Plus. This is an shiner spray with little bit of hairspray in it, so I'm just going to use that for the shining look. So I'm just going to add a lot. This contains a hairspray too, so be careful, do not add a lot of products also, but add a product also. So I'm just going to do that. After the spraying is done, I'm going to spread all these sprays evenly by using the comb. I'm just going to do that. As you can see, I'm just combing through my hair to spread it evenly. Next we are going to partition the hair. So I'm just going to partition my hair usually from the front ones. I'm just going to divide. Front partition is becoming 2 partitions, and back side I'm just going to divide into 2 areas by separating my crown part and the bottom area of the head also. Next, after partitioning, I'm just going to start at the back of my hair's head. I'm just going to straighten this up quickly. I'm just going to add a time lapse here. and then I'm just going to continue this process through my crown hair and then front partition, and all these are done, and then we'll go for the next one. Next, I'm just going to use a crimper. This is from Iconic brand. If you want to know what this range is or what the price is, you can go below the description box to check out what variant it is, because even I forgot what the variant is. So I'm just going to crimp the front partitions and the crown area alone. I'm not gonna do full area of my hair because I don't need a crimping there. So I'm just going to do that. So the crimping mostly should look like a real hair, but it should also look to be crimped. So that is the rules of crimping, because if you do over crimping, it looks really an artificial look to this. So you gotta be careful while doing crimping. So this is how the crimping should look like. It shouldn't be looking like crimp, but it should have been done crimp. So this is how it should be. So that is how the look is. So it should be neat and straight so that it's ready for hairstyles which you wanted to go for to practice. So that's the whole thing of how should you maintain your hair dummy. This varies individually, but this is my maintenance for 2 years. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and got some useful tips and tricks to maintain your hair dummy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please take care. Bye. See you.